Hi guys, so this is my update on GEO. If you watched my previous analysis on GEO, we were around this area right here, and I said I'm expecting a possible move to the downside on GEO, but I said there's a possibility that we might actually push up to at least my 78.6% fib level, and that is because we can see that there was a breakout structure here that hasn't been retested, and it aligns with my 78.6% fib level around that area. So I said there's a possibility that we might push up to that area right here before we now continue to push to the downside. And you can see my target is my negative 27% fib level, so I was expecting a bit of that, but as you can see that we did not go up to my 78.6% fib level to retrace, but instead we started retracing off of my 38.2% fib level to now continue to push to the downside, which is fine. So we can see that we finally got into my target before we now continue to push to the upside. So based on that, I'm going to delete my previous analysis and see what we are looking at right now. So let me see what I can adjust based on that. So I can readjust this one right here just to see what we are looking for. So as you can see right now, that after we got to my negative 27% fib level, it actually continued to push to the upside, right? And we started rejecting around my 88.6% fib level before we now continue to push to the downside. So right now, what am I expecting on GU? We can see that GU is in a very trickish area right now, because we can see it's currently around a trend line right around this level right here. So I can say, let me readjust this. Let me delete this one just to make it cleaner. I can readjust this trend line right here. So we can see that GU is currently around a tricky area right here. So there's a possibility it might continue to push to the upside, and if so, my target will be around this area right here. Around this area right here will be my target if we're going to continue to push the upside. But if we're going to go to the downside, I'll prefer it coming to break this trend line, retest, and continue to give us something like this to push to the downside. So on GU, I'll prefer it to at least give us more data to see where we're at right now before we enter trade, right? Because we can see if this is giving us like a M pattern, which is a reversal pattern, so there's a possibility that we might break and continue to push to the upside, right? And we can see that it's currently around this trend line, so there's a possibility it's just giving us first touch, second touch, a possible third touch to continue to push to the upside. So that is what I'm saying right now. GU is indecisive until we get more information and data to be able to know our next direction. Hope this is insightful, guys. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.